Hey everybody, I'm Dave, owner and operator of Indigo Hail Repair, and the season for the 2025 hail season has begun, and I'm here working in Louisville, Kentucky. I think it's spelled Louisville, but people call it Louisville. I have no idea why, but I'm here doing my first car. Figured I'd share it with you guys. I travel around with my business, fixing cars. I'm at a body shop here in Louisville, and starting on my first hail car. Just figured I'd share it with you guys. If you guys got any questions, concerns, or comments regarding hail repair, feel free to message me or leave me in the comments. Have a great day. Okay, first car of the season. This is a Volkswagen Taos, I believe it is. It's a small SUV. It's got a lot of them on the roof. I don't know, a couple hundred dents on the roof. Left side's light. They're gonna replace the hood. This side's pretty banged up. A lot of dents in that fender. A bunch of them in the doors and at the top of that rail there. But give me about a day or a day and a half and I'll have this thing looking good.